Hi, everyone. It's Tim from the Tim and Nancy Danter YouTube channel, and welcome. This is week 2, the update for the 2022 dollar cost average investment challenge. Now, as you'll see going forward, I am going to be calling it my Shakepay investment challenge because being in Canada, I have found that Shakepay is the most flexible and quickest way for me to meet my objective. Horse that I'm picking for this challenge is Bitcoin. Shakepay is a great way to also dollar cost average in. It's the easiest way. Transferring funds in is very, very quick. And the link for that is below in the description. So, as mentioned, the Shakepay app is what I'm using here in Canada. For those of you in other countries or in the United States, you may choose to use Coinbase. You may choose to use Celsius. I have listed those in the description below. But with Shakepay, the bonus that we get here in Canada is that we also are able to do daily shake for sats as well. So it's kind of an extra bonus in addition to adding up our recurring buy. Now, remember, just as a quick overview, that we don't have to have a recurring daily buy for this challenge. It doesn't have to be Bitcoin. And heck, you could also just stake your coin, but the whole objective is to hold on and to continue through with this until December 31st, 2022. So, do what you want, stake it, choose another coin, but pick something and stick with it, and let's see where we stand by the end of the year, because I bet you we do see some pretty significant gains and a nice surprise at the end of the year. So let's have a look at what the community was putting on the comment board last week. So I just brought up a couple of them for us. It says I'm at 109 Dogecoin as of the starting of the challenge, putting my laptop miner to work on that for the year, I guess. Another comment is that this person loves their Polkadot, but they figured they'd switch to a coin in the metaverse. So, hey, the metaverse is up and coming. It is a topic that is hot these days, and you can tune into Crypto Night in Canada Wednesday nights, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as Candace Mountain, who is one of our regular contributors on the show, gives the weekly top 10 coins in the metaverse and the weekly top 7 stocks. So, and I believe this comment is from Candace. So she switched from Polkadot into Enjin for the challenge, and she's going to be DCAing in at $5 a week for the year. Another comment is awesome idea. My goal is to have 1 ETH by the end of this year. And that's great, because that's the whole objective, is set a goal. Let's see how we do with it, but be disciplined about it. Set it and forget it. Or if you're having to DCA in at whenever you've got the extra cash, that's okay. Just be disciplined about it. Picked a great month to start this, my man. I think you're going to be glad you chose Bitcoin. I do as well. I think that is going to serve Nancy and I very well. Started the challenge day 3 at $5 per day, and another one choosing ETH as their horse. Great idea. Going to join you guys on this challenge. I'm going to use Shakepay and ETH. Terrific. And this person says they bought $30 of Matic on the 6th of January. So I guess what they're doing is they're catching up from January 1st. And again, they are contributing $5 a day. Listen, it doesn't matter the frequency. It doesn't matter the amount. It doesn't matter if you're staking or doing a recurring buy. Just do something for the year, and I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. Join us in this DCA 2022 challenge. Moving into some points of what happened over the past week in regards to Bitcoin. It was basically relatively stable, as you'll see in my next slide, after Monday's drop below $40,000. And this is in US dollars, ladies and gentlemen. The last time that Bitcoin had dropped below $40,000 was in August. Its price has been between 39 and 45 so far this week. And Bitcoin's price appears not to have been significantly impacted by the latest inflation data released this week, which shows the continued rising in prices and a 40-year inflationary high. Yeah, that's something we talk about on the show as well. But moving on, the recent slump follows a disappointing December jobs report and the release of the minutes from the Federal Reserve Board's December meeting, which signaled a winding down of the measures to prop up what is described as a steady improving economy. We'll see. At some point in time, it has to end. And it's also reported that there was a massive sell-off in the Bitcoin futures as well. So, these are all things that we look as indicators and just things to keep in our peripheral vision as we look week to week for what's going on in the market. So here is my week 2 for the 2022 dollar cost average investment challenge. Just a quick recap. This recurring buy happens at 6:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every single day. And what I do is I will show you in this weekly chart at that particular time how many sats, not stats, typo, were purchased. And it also shows you the price of BTC rounded to the closest dollar at that time of purchase. So you can see that I have shown you the statistics from January 9th to the 16th. Again, my DCA per day is $5, so a total of $35 for the week. It shows you the amount of sats that were purchased, and it shows you the price difference from January 9th to 16th of Bitcoin. So in this case, beginning of the week, comparing to the end of the week, there was an increase in the price of $1,493, and which is a 24-hour change from the beginning of the week to the end of the week. Not a 24-hour change, but a change in the positive percentage-wise of a 3.45% gain, which is good for that week compared to my loss from last week. What I've now done is I've now included a separate slide because now we're going to add the weeks on and use them as comparisons. So it's going to be showing you week 1 and 2 here. And it shows you the dollar cost average amount, and it shows you the return on investment weekly. So since it was a stinky week for week 1 and I had a negative 14.13 loss there, it shows you that I actually had a return on investment of $30.05. But in week 2, when I had a return of week of $36.21, that was mainly on my 3.45% gain. I show you here the opening balance when I started my challenge of Bitcoin, which was $46,962. And it shows you week 2, the price at the end of the week was $43,303. So year to date, since I started the challenge as of January 2nd, the price of Bitcoin has dropped by 8.45%. So that is sort of an overview, folks, of where I'm standing with my dollar cost average investment. As I said, it doesn't matter what you're doing with the frequency or the amount. This is a responsible and disciplined approach to the dollar cost average 2022 investment challenge. As I said, please see below for the links for the Shakepay app, Coinbase, and Celsius if you're in other parts. But the most important thing is do this responsibly, because what you're going to see is you're going to see a big surprise by December 31st, 2022. Thanks for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button and to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos or live streams that we're doing throughout the week. And I will see you next Sunday for the update on week 3. Have a great week and stay safe. Take care.